In this video, I will show you how to delete your property from booking.com. So if you actually have an unfinished registration property, you can head over and click on this delete option. Do take note that you can find it into the admin booking.com or the booking.com extranet. Now, if you already registered a property and you want to delete it, what you can do is you can scroll down, then click onto that property instead. Once you've clicked onto the property, what you can do is you can head over to the home, and then into the home of your property you can see it right here. So you can see a lot of things and the likes for this one. If you want to head over and delete it, just head over to rates and availability. You can see in here the add-ons, the price, and in here as well as likes of things for the reservation. And for this one, click on over the property, and then once it's loaded, you can head over and find it in here the delete option for the profile.